喂，大家好，我係 Maxwell，又同大家見面啦。OK，今日咧個最主要嘅主題咧係關於下我哋馬來西亞人嘅真正嘅互助精神啦，不分你我，大家種族啦、宗教嘅輩分啦。好啦，一往已舊咧，希望大家嘅觀眾朋友咧喺呢個影片開始之前，抑或介紹之前咧，希望你哋能夠大家點讚、訂閱、分享下我小弟阿偉傑啦個頻道啦，多啲支持下我啦。拍片係好辛苦下，希望得到你哋嘅認同啦，你哋嘅支持就係我嘅動力啦，鼓勵我啦，多謝晒。
喂，大家好，各位嘅觀眾朋友，我係阿 Max，今日咧就同大家分享下啦。喺吉隆坡呢個市中心嘅一個觀音亭啦，每逢星期五同星期日早上11點至下午2點，都會免費提供免費嘅齋食俾所有嘅大眾，無論你係咩種族、宗教同經濟背景，只要你嚟就能夠享受呢一份愛心同温暖啦。這就係馬來西亞互相互助精神最美麗嘅體驗俾大家。Hello there, this is Maxwell. Today I would like to share with you at the Guan Yin Temple right in the heart of the KLCC, a free vegetarian meal is provided every Friday and Sunday from morning 11 a.m. until 2 p.m. Okay, this regardless of your race, religions, or any financial status, everyone is welcome. This is a beautiful reflection of the spirit of generosity and the unity in Malaysia. Remember, regardless of race, religion, and our financial status, everyone is most welcome here to enjoy the free vegetarian provided by the temple every Friday and Sunday 11 a.m. until 2 p.m. First come, first serve. Thank you.